Halloj! Welcome to this week's vlog. I'm not sick anymore, that's good. This week's vlog So, this week we're gonna have to clean every mess that I made. Like this. Like that. I'm gonna clean and I'm gonna show you everything. I have my parents coming over on Sunday to fix some spotlights, sort of, in my kitchen, because that's the only thing that isn't done yet. So that's nice. But except that, I only have like some styling to do and some deep cleaning. And then I'm done, which is nice. So, I also want to say thank you and hi to everyone subscribing. It's so cringe to say, but I appreciate you. We're over 100. Very happy. Like, oh god, feels kind of surreal that I have like 100 people liking what I do every day or every week. Anywho, so yeah, I appreciate you. Love you. Let's fix this mess. I kind of want to clean without showing you too much. Like, yeah. So I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but I am going to do it. So, okay, let's try to fix this. This is gonna look like a mess for a while because all of this is gonna have to go to the trash. I have a lot of jackets that has to be in the closet. I have trash, jackets, and I have stuff that's going in my storage, which only will be like a bigger pile the more that I clean. So let me try and clean without showing you too much. And I think I'm gonna start in the kitchen. Okay, so I think I'm done. Maybe. Let me show you. Okay, the hallway. I am in my equi entryway. I didn't change that much in here, except my door. This is the newly painted door. As you have seen before, I just put some wood wood stain. Put some wood stain on it, kept the hardware and everything. Then into my bathroom. Didn't do much either. I changed my towels, but these are the same towels I've had forever. One thing I did change is this. This used to hang in my kitchen. Now it's hanging in my bathroom. And it's a naked girl holding a wine glass. It reflects weirdly on camera because of my light that I have. But oh well. So that's what I did. I even cleaned in here and everything. Then we go in my bedroom. I have painted this and that. You already seen that. And I have removed some plants that I had over here. That one is the same. But this is what I did. Yay! Okay, so what did I actually do in here? I'm very yellow because of the light. I am standing on my bed. But what did I actually do? I installed my headboard lamps nicely. I smoothed out this little like corner thing. I smoothed that out, and I added 2 new pictures from poster store that I bought. I'm gonna show you. So this one is new and that one is new. So much reflecting of light, but you can see it. Yeah. And the other 2 are the old ones that I have. Yes, I will link them down below. I will link everything that I have down below so you can catch it, buy it, do whatever. You watch. Same from before. Now in my living room. This is the place where I have done the biggest makeover yet. Nothing new on this side. Still have my pillar. Here we go. New frames and posters. You saw me sort of put these up, but I did this. I think that looks great. You can now sit here without ruining stuff. I painted this whole wall with my boyfriend. I even did place this like little film. I don't think you can see. Yeah, maybe. It's like an imitation wood, but it's like a plastic film, like almost like wallpaper, but for like stuff. So I have it up here as well. Like this. I think that made this IKEA thing quite more luxurious. I got this new lamp. It's the SVARTNORA lamp from IKEA. I got that. Thinking about something here. I don't know. I also did a better like workspace. One of these I had over here. And now I have a plant corner instead. So, starting with plant corner. This I had before with like stuff. Like I could hang like my scissors and stuff like that. I had cute notes like this. There's a love you on it. I feel like I want to zoom you in a bit. Like this. Now I have a thermostat. I have my little IKEA stuff. I have my Among Us thing. My little crocheted Spanish or Mexican turtle. I have the plant that I stole. Yes, I have that up here. And then down here, I ended up buying last minute some like wooden boxes. And my plants are actually standing on wooden boxes. So, this, don't mind that. I'm gonna move so you don't have to see it. Okay, so this is how it looks. I have planted, repotted my aloe. So you got a bigger one. So this little sad plant over here, you got a new one. Here wasn't this one before. My aloe, happier than ever. I got my palm trees. I get this thing. These are the wooden boxes. I painted them in the same wood stain. Sorry, my neighbors had the same idea as me. In the same wood stain as the door to the bathroom. Then moving over, I still have a little work from home space, which I like, but I ended up placing both of my shelves over here so I can place more stuff right here. So that I have like a little bit of like books and memories and like games and more books. And I actually ended up using this one, this little like basket thing that I bought. I'm placing all my cameras in there. So yeah, I also had another like this corner lamp was here before. I ended up placing it right there because when I didn't have a lamp there, it got quite dark. So this is that. I got my little pumpkin, some candles. I repotted this guy. He's feeling good. My orchids, not feeling good. And then Lastly, I have my kitchen. But today's Friday. I want to show you my whole kitchen. Like on Sunday, when I have the 2 like spotlight lamps installed by my dad. So I want to do that. So yeah. But I'm just gonna show you like a clip of how it looks. Because I didn't do that much. Oh well, I did. I might show you. Don't mind, it's still a lot of stuff in here. So, what did I even do in here? Well, I painted all of the cabinets. You will see that. I also I bought a new lamp. And I'm gonna have the 2 spotlights over here. You will see it. Then I moved my little shelf thing that were over there. I'm gonna place it here because I moved my whole like table right above this lamp. So now it's like more spacious, I think, for just sitting here at least. I added some more posters right here and right there, and I had this little like whiteboard thing over here. I placed it here together with another like poster thing, but I don't want to show you too much, mainly because I have a lot of shit in here. Like, I do still live here, so I have a lot of dishes and my vacuum and stuff. I'm gonna show you this more exactly how it looks when I have my 2 spotlight lamps installed. I will show you on Sunday. That's it for me, this vlog. This is the makeover I've done so far. The only thing I pretty much have left is to make sure I have the same flooring everywhere in my apartment. Anywho, but vlogs like that will be coming whenever I feel I have the economy or the money to do all the flooring. But until then, this will have to do. So, if you liked it, like, subscribe. I see you next week. We're gonna do some fun stuff. Everything from like hauls, because I have some stuff coming, to me getting a tattoo, I believe, and coloring my hair. I know, it's gonna be a lot. See you on Monday!